Okay, hi. Got a simple plan here. I'm going to go to an elevation camera and just place a single window over here on the left and a double window over here on the right. And take all of those windows and shift select them. Get rid of the sills. Don't care about the interior sill. Oh, and I want them all to be fixed. Okay. I'm going to take this one and just go to the casing tab, and we'll make that 8 inches thick. Voila. Also take color that. I guess we'll go ahead and color these. Now, in the case of these two windows, I'm just going to turn the casing on. Okay, now I'm going to draw a polyline, like as has been mentioned. That's close enough for my purposes. I can convert this to a polyline solid using the convert tool in the edit toolbar. Make it 8 inches thick. We'll take the material and change it to the stucco. Now I'm going to draw a polyline over here for convenience sake. I'm not being very exact because I'm just doing a show and tell. I'll move that polyline over here, convert it to a polyline solid, and we're going to make it a hole. And then we'll line it up on the window. And then copy that hole. It's a polyline solid hole. I got pretty close. Okay. That's the operation. Now, what does this look like in an isometric camera? Well, I'll show you. And we'll change the camera to a vector view so you can see the line outlines better. That's perfect. Or it could be made perfect very easily, and to get the effective one. Now, whether it's structurally advisable or not, that's not the question. Anyway, hope this helps you. If it doesn't, well, have a great day anyway. Thank you.